Hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to be doing a weekly series to talk about YouTube growth, the do's and the don'ts, the what to do so that you gain more subscribers on YouTube, and each and everything matters concerning growth on YouTube, or how to gain 100 subscribers in just 1 week on YouTube. I know most of us, like, you've been on YouTube so right now that most people are quarantining, and we do not have basically a lot of things to do indoors. So most of us have ended up getting and trying to understand the YouTube algorithm or the YouTube space. So I want to share with you the nitty-gritties on how to basically make 100 subscribers, and as you grow to get to being monetized on YouTube. So first and foremost, we all know that for you to be monetized on YouTube, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. A while back, YouTube didn't have all these regulations. They put those regulations, I think, mid or early last year, and it has really helped because people are now putting more work and they're more consistent on so that they get monetized on the YouTube space. So for you to get to that point of you getting to the road to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I want to take you through to the easiest or the most elaborate ways on how to make at least 100 subscribers as you aim out to get 1,000 subscribers. So first and foremost, I believe we have friends and family that we can market our YouTube, or we can tell them about our YouTube channel, and they can help and subscribe and check what you're doing. So I believe the most important thing first is via your social media accounts, via your WhatsApp and any other mode of communication that you have on social media, advertise your channel as many times as you can. Those friends that you have, the family that you have, those are the easiest people that you can convince to subscribe to your channel. But this method has just one downside, and that is most people end up subscribing to your channel, but they do not end up to watching most of your content. So it is way better to make or gain followers organically. A reason being, when you gain followers organically, or people who follow your content because they like your content, that means they will be looking for your content and they'll be watching your content more. So that means the more you produce, the more these people watch, the more your channel grows. But if your friends and family who have just subscribed because you've asked them to subscribe, they may end up to just subscribe and never actually even watch your content. And you know, we really need those watch hours. So as much as you'll advertise to your family and friends via your social media accounts, it's way best that you try and grow organically, and also maybe ask them to, if they dig and love your content, let them be watching your content. So as I've said, first and foremost, you can advertise to your friends and to your family, but matters growing organically. The step number 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 will explain what will help you to grow organically. So step number 2 to you growing or making subscribers, 100 and more subscribers, is being consistent on YouTube. So the reason why most people, or you listen to most people telling you kindly be consistent, it's because the more you upload, the more you post work, the more the chances of what people are looking out there to land on your page. I hope you're understanding and you're on the same page. And by this I mean, for example, if you have a cooking channel, or you have an education channel, or you have a how-to channel, a hairstyle, a makeup channel, the more that you're putting your content out there, the more that most probably someone else is looking for what you're producing. So the higher the chances of what you're producing to land out there to other people. So be consistent as you can. The only way you can make it on YouTube is be consistent. Have a work schedule on production and how to be uploading your content. Like for me, I'm really trying to be producing content 2 or 3 times a week. I'm working on 15 or 16 videos a month. So that as time goes by, you know, the good thing with YouTube is you may have content that right now it may not have a lot of views, but maybe 2 or 3 months from now people will be looking for the same content that you're updating. So it is very, very important to be consistent. Upload more. Make sure at least you upload 2 times a week, at least. That is step number 2, being consistent. Step number 3, know your niche. The good thing with YouTube, it is a very big cake. We were talking to someone and they told me YouTube is a very big cake. We ought to share this cake. It is awesome. It is the probability or possibilities of YouTube, they are very big. And YouTube is the biggest, actually it's the second biggest search engine other than Google search. And anyway, Google search and YouTube, it's one and the same person. So most people go to the YouTube space to look for content out there, to search on how to DIY, how to do this and that. And YouTube is here to stay. It will take a lot of years for other engines to come up and rival YouTube as big as YouTube is. So make sure that you know your niche. I know when you're starting, your mind is all over the place, of which it's okay. Actually, even for me, I'm trying 2 or 3 things right now. I advise people, try 2 or 3 things. Upload 4 or 5 videos on each and everything that you try. If you're doing cooking videos, do 5 of them. If you're doing on how to, do 5 of them. If you're doing beauty, do 5 of videos. Then check the analytics. Check the analytics, which video or which content is growing more. Once you realize what is growing more, advance on that, work on that, learn more. And the good thing with YouTube is there are no limitations or there are no plagiarism. There's no one's work on YouTube. What you can do is you can always take someone else's work, advance more, learn more, and produce it as your own content. There are limited possibilities on YouTube. So know your niche, and as much as you're starting, try 2 or 3 niches. Once you narrow down to one niche, kindly progress on it. Produce more. And once you produce more and you're consistent on uploading more, the probability of you making it is very high. The fourth thing that you really need to work on your growth and make 100 to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is you being in the YouTube community. By this I mean meet other YouTubers who are doing the same thing as you. Go to their channels, see what they're doing, learn from them. I know in your niche there are some people who have been there for 2 or 3 years. Check out what they're doing. Then compare your work and compare with them. Always see what is working for them. See what titles or what they're producing. Have an idea of how they're doing it and everything. Also go on their comments. Tell them that you love their work and that kind of thing. You know, the more you're active on YouTube, the more you make more YouTube friends. And the good thing with YouTube, we always compliment each other as creators. So it is good and it is very important to make YouTube content creators your friend. So go to the niche to the people who are doing the same niche as you, to YouTubers who are doing the same niche as you. Check out their work, always comment, be active on their sections. And I always discourage those people who always go to to people's comments and videos. You're there sub for sub. It is just a lot of work. Once you know what those people are doing and what they're not doing, you will align to what has made them grow. You know, most of the YouTubers in this space, they'll tell you what has worked for them and what has not worked for them. So when you learn what has worked for them, work and make sure that you do what they said that they ought to do when they didn't know how to do. Learn from other people. Always engage yourself out there. Have more friends on the YouTube space, and it will really help you. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so that when I upload, you have my content. Like and leave a comment. On my next series, I'll be talking on the channels or the kind of content creation you can do without you showing your face and your voice. Most people have recommended me to do this, and I have a lot of juice for you guys. So kindly subscribe, leave a comment, like, and see you next time. Bye.